Practicing mindfulness can help women succeed in negotiations. When you're mindful, your thoughts are clear and your mind is calm. Mindfulness increases your emotional intelligence by making you more aware of your own emotions and the emotions of others. Now, this self-awareness can reduce emotional reactivity so that you're more in control and have more of a choice over how you want to respond. And this can also boost your self-confidence by helping you know that when you enter a difficult situation, you'll be under control. Now, an increased awareness of the emotions of others can make it easier to understand what their needs and their interests are. And this can make it easier to find an integrative solution that satisfies both parties' needs. So before entering into a negotiation, if you just take a minute to take a few long, deep breaths, this can reduce anxiety and also increase your mindfulness by helping you to focus on the present moment. And both of these can lead to better outcomes.